Hi, I'm Broke, and as you guys know, I always love playing with my 3D printer. I always upload a couple of videos in here on YouTube, here and there, and it's very simple. I simply get the file, put it on my 3D printer through my SD card, hit print, and it does its job. Very simple, eh? Yeah, but unfortunately, I had an issue with my SD card another day. Yes, as you guys can see, it broke. And instead of going and buying just like a very good 3D printer as a normal human being, I decided to get it sorted with a Raspberry Pi. That's not the Raspberry Pi I'm talking about. Yes, that's the one I'm talking about. But hold on, what is a Raspberry Pi at the end of the day? Well, let me explain it in a sort of a simple way then. Raspberry Pi is pretty much an affordable computer that you can do many different projects. It's the same size as a credit card and it's got a really powerful processor, memory, and other features that you can find on a desktop computer. You can use the Raspberry Pi to learn about programming, create your own games and applications, control robots, and other devices, such as a 3D printer, and that's what I did. So for this project, what I actually used was just a Raspberry Pi, in my case a Raspberry Pi 4, a micro SD card, power supply, my Wi-Fi, and the printer cable. So the cable that I used from my Raspberry Pi straight to my printer. Now, let's connect everything together. So the way I did right here was actually connecting the power supply straight away to my Raspberry Pi. And this power supply that I'm using that I found that works good for me was actually an iPad charger. So it sort of worked well. I also connected together with the AC connection from my 3D printer itself. So not the 12-volt supply, but the AC connection, and then straight to my Raspberry Pi. And that's it. Now I have all the features that all of the others very fancy 3D printers have, but sort of in a broke way. So I can pretty much access the camera through my phone. I can also do all the stuff like controlling my 3D printer, home, everything, and yeah, even print from my phone now. I can also access it from my computer. I can do all the cool stuff that pretty much fancy 3D printers can do. I can send files straight away from my computer to the 3D printer. I can visualize how it works, and I can even do one of those time lapses that are really cool, like that the nozzle pretty much doesn't move and it seems like the thing is coming from the ground basically. And that's it. Well, I'm leaving the link down below for every single thing that I use for this project if you're interested in doing that yourself. Hope you had enjoyed, and if you liked it, please leave your like down below and see you in the next video.